Hello guys, today I wanted to introduce our new model.
Please enter the unlocking information.
This is
No
room door lock with
No
face
detected.
recognition, fingerprint, card, key, and password. It supports to work with Tuya Smart, or actually in overseas is Smart Life, the same actually. So from the surface, you can see here is the face model, okay? And here is camera, okay? Camera is once you ring the doorbell, we can see the outside guide who outside standing, okay? You see? Actually already configured to your smart. So when you ring the doorbell, your application page, okay, will notification. Okay, can see already activate this. I can choose unlocked, and with the unlocker login reviews. Okay, see login reviews with the picture upload to your application as well. So this is very convenient for the app. Also, it with temporary passcode. We can set up from that application page. You can see in here. I already set one temporary passcode customized by myself, so we can check. Okay.
Please enter the unlocking information.
Temporary passcode usually is 7 digits. Okay. This one I already set from the application yet, so I can use in here. So others basic fingerprint, password, code. Maybe we can try one by one. Okay, first let me check by the face. Face already registered, so I can check. You see? Okay, I didn't touch anything of the lock. Just the lock detect my face and unlock the device. Okay, so actually this kind of lock typically function is by the face. Usually it's the big security lock with the face, but this kind of purpose we think is more useful for the apartment and with more functions, something like face. But the cost is lower than the big security lock. This is the purpose of us to develop this kind of model for the market. Here, other functions, the basic, maybe we try as well by card. Okay.
The lock has been unlocked.
Okay, by card. Okay. Lock. Okay, by fingerprint. If here we can exit just a stick.
Please enter the unlocking information.
Okay, by fingerprint and by passcode already and by face. Okay, all is this function. This is the anti-lock button from the indoor. When it label outside, only the admin can access. The normal user cannot. This is the typical function for the anti-lock button, electronic button for the device. Okay. Okay, this is the customized logo for one of my customers. So actually this one without. If you have quantity, we also can do customized logo and for the box also, but a little minimum quantity to meet this kind of customized issue. Okay, so hope you guys can like this kind of model and talk with me. Thank you.